Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to save ChatGPT chats to your computer. So to start, open any browser and search for chatgpt.com and sign into your account. Now at the bottom left corner, select your profile, then go to settings. So from here, select data controls. Next, at the bottom, you should see export data and click on export. So read all this. So the download link will expire 24 hours after you receive it. So the data will be sent to your registered email in a downloadable file, and the process may take some time, and you'll be notified when it's done. So click confirm export. Approve sign in. So ChatGPT sent a notification to your devices. Open ChatGPT app on any of them to continue. So go ahead and open ChatGPT from these devices and tap on yes, it's me. After that, it will process the request. So once done, you will receive an email with a download link. So click on download to download the zip file and extract it on your computer. So the export typically includes your chats in HTML and other account data. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.